Hey, what's up? I am currently avoiding working out. Look how pretty. I just wanted to put that against the white. This has nothing to do with the video. I'm avoiding working out by filming a video. So I'm filming my Amazon Prime Day spending. Now, I'll tell you right now, it's nothing exciting. It's nothing special. It's not a whole ton. But it's just a bonus video I just thought might be a little bit fun. It might be super boring, but I don't know. I guess we'll just see, right? So, yeah, I did not total it all up because I thought that would be kind of fun to just, add it up with you all. So we'll see what the total is. But first, I did want to show you all this. This was requested by Marlene over at Snow Gardener 307. And it is another version of Rollin' with My Nomies. So this is Rollin' with My Nomies 2. As you can see, it looks pretty much identical. I did change the color of this gnome, no big deal. I did change the names of the other gnomes, again, no big deal, but it's a little bit higher income. So this is sort of like a mid-income version. Each road dash here is $3. On the previous or the original one, it's $2. And then on the digital download version, it's $1. So each of these is $3, and then underneath the scratchers are just a little bit higher. I want to say like maybe 15 or so might be the highest. But it's, in the listing. This is already up in the shop. I just wanted to quickly show you that it is available. Again, just a second version. So there are now 3 versions of this: a digital download, the original version, and then this number 2. So they all have a separate listing. If you're interested in this, you can go grab it. But I'm going to use this as, to cover up everything. Not that it's, again, anything exciting, but I'm going to show you one by one. So the first thing I purchased, or actually, these may not necessarily be in any type of order, is a sorting toy for my daughter. So I am going to try to insert a screenshot of everything here just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about, but it's just like a color sorting toy. So it has little plastic pieces in X amount of colors. And I think it has just little bowls in the same colors. And then you just, put the red things in the red bowl, the green in the green, and so on. So she's starting to be able to identify and know the colors. So I just wanted to, be able to play that game with her, practice those a little bit. And yeah, so a sorting toy. Now, I don't have the individual prices. I guess I could have looked that up. I guess I could put them on the screen here. I just looked at my order history and got the order total because obviously that's going to include any like tax or anything if there is any. So I'm going to show you like the totals by the orders, if that makes sense. So the next thing I got was just some underwear, nothing exciting about that. So the sorting toy and the underwear totaled $25.15. I'm trying to think. I want to say pretty much everything was a Prime Day deal. Yeah, I think pretty much everything was a Prime Day deal. Now, whether or not they were like, any cheaper than a non-Prime Day, I really don't know, but I bought the stuff anyway. So that was $25.15. Next we have, okay, so this I think is a deal. So it's Huggies, diapers, and wipes. So it was a box of, I believe, 120 or 150 diapers, and then I think 12 packs of wipes for, I think it was like $69 and change. I normally get my diapers at CVS only because we have a lot of coupons that we get from there, and they often offer a sale where if you spend X amount, you get $5 or $10 back. So I usually do, but we're running really low on diapers and wipes right now, and I just happened to see this deal, so I snagged it. I thought it was a good deal. I think like a 50 pack of diapers at CVS is like $30 in itself. So, This was like $70 all in. And yes, CVS is not the cheapest place for diapers, but you know, I just compared it to there because that's where I normally go. So anyway, so that's that. And then just some socks. I could definitely use socks. So this was like, I believe, a 6-pack of socks. Again, I'll try to insert pictures of everything on the screen. So between those two things, $77.59. Next, I blame Liz over at Liz and Les for this one. She's always talking about her dishwasher pods and how she likes to stock up. And these were a deal. The Cascade Platinum, it was $4 or $5 cheaper than at Walmart. We do pretty much all of our grocery shopping at Walmart. So that's where I compared the price to. So that was a little bit of a deal. I got a sticky bra for the cruise. Are you all tired of hearing me say the word cruise? Because I've been talking about it, I feel like, for months now. But this is just like a stick-on bra, no back and no straps, for some of the outfits that I want to try to wear. I was just going to go braless, but I decided to try this. I have no idea if it's going to work. If you have tried these, let me know. I did watch a couple of videos. I don't know. It's probably going to be an epic failure, but we'll see. And then a Revlon dryer brush. Okay, so I actually already have this, but it's the original version. And I happened to see that they came out with a second version. So, of course, being me, I was like, oh, well, I need that. But the second version has an additional heat setting. It's like a slimmer handle to hold it easier. And mine actually is getting pretty raggedy. I have had it quite a while. So I am hoping this new version will, work a little bit better. I remember when I first got it, it worked great, and now it's just kind of so we'll see. But between those three things, $73.40. Pretty spendy. And then two more things. A sink drip catcher. So this goes on the back of the kitchen sink around the faucet. And it's just like a silicone thing that has little spouts to catch all the excess water and drip it back into the sink. I am a very messy dishwasher. I get water everywhere. So that's just, something I happened to see. Again, I wasn't really looking for pretty much any of this stuff except for the underwear and socks and the bra. But, something I just happened to see and decided to grab it. That was $8.47. And then a sandwich cutter. So if you've ever seen Uncrustables, they are like frozen peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. They're a circle. There's no crust. And this is basically a cutter to make that exact shape and seal in the stuff in the sandwich. My son is probably the pickiest eater on the planet. He eats 4 foods, and the Uncrustables are one of them. However, he's going to kindergarten in the fall. They really discourage bringing peanut butter because of peanut allergies. So I do want to try an alternative butter, like some kind of seed butter or something. But he's the type of kid where if you have literally 2 of the same foods, but one looks like the food that he always eats and the other one looks slightly different, he will not eat that other one just because it looks different. So I want to try to make peanut butter and jelly sandwich with an alternative butter and this cutter to make them look like the Uncrustables. He probably is way smarter than me and will know in an instant, but I guess we'll see. So that was $6.96. So again, nothing too exciting or fun. We did get a couple things for the household, which is good. We should not need diapers and wipes and dishwasher pods for a while. So yeah, let's just add it up and see where we're at. So we have $25.15 plus $77.59 plus $73.40 plus 8, 47, plus 6, 96. Ooh, 191.57. Amazon Prime Day really got me. Told you. All right, that's it. Again, if this was boring, sorry. But I want to know below though. Let me know. Did you get any good deals? What did you get? Did Prime Day get you? You know, let me know. And also, by the way, where is the money coming from to pay for this stuff? I don't know, Etsy, I guess. I put it all on my Amazon credit card, which I know, you know, when I originally opened that, I had said it could be dangerous for me doing shopping and everything. I'm happy to say I am still great with it. After several months, I only buy my Etsy supplies on there. That's a lie. I do buy other things, but I just immediately pay it off. Like, I have never had a balance, knock on wood. I've never paid any interest or anything like that. And actually, for Prime Day, instead of 5% back, they offered 6% back as just like an additional bonus, I guess. So, you know, I'll get a little bit of extra cash back with that. So yeah, it's all on my credit card, and I will definitely pay it off with the Etsy money. So, obviously that's going to be less that I can stuff in my 100 envelope challenge, but that's the consequence when you shop. The money has to come from somewhere, right? Okay, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know below. But yeah, that's it for this one. You can tell I can't think of anything else to say right now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.